everybody, and Happy New Year. Welcome back to the channel, PC Addict 365 here. And today we are going to be taking a look at, this is Ugreen. It's a USB to Sata III hard drive adapter. So what this little bugger allows you to do is to take an internal hard drive and actually plug it in and power it via USB without having to plug it into the inside of your PC case. So if I want to have, if I have, say, like I have here, an 8 terabyte Western Digital drive, and I want to put data on here, but let's say I don't have enough slots in my tower PC to basically plug it in and throw the data on it, what I can do is just hook it up with this little bugger via USB and transfer my data to it. That saves me opening the back of my case, unplugging the cords, pulling out a hard drive, putting this hard drive in, plugging up the power cords, and doing it that way. Saves a lot of time. It's actually really handy. And any computer enthusiast that you're doing a lot of data, transferring a lot of data, I would highly recommend one of these buggers. Basically, I'm going to be transferring about 5 terabytes of data with this thing over from my external drive, or my little external 5 terabyte portable hard drive here. So I'm going to clean this off, put all the data on here, and then I'm going to put this into my media player. So basically that's what I'm going to be working on today. And let's get a look, and I'll show you how this little bugger works, show you what it looks like. So basically all you do, plug your power cable into this little guy right here. Hook this up, hook the USB cable up to your hard drive, which we have here, our Western Digital 8 terabyte drive. Open this little guy up, slide her out of the packaging, and then all you do is connect this. Well then, yeah, you just connect it right into your SATA ports. Slide it in like that, plug it into your computer, and then you're able to start transferring data. So it works pretty darn good. Alright, so I got the drive plugged in. Here's the little adapter. Don't mind the mess. I got a lot of videos to do yet, a lot of organizing and stuff. But here's the adapter with the USB cable running up over to here. And then I just got the power cable running down to my power over there, and the hard drive is plugged in here, my 8 terabyte. Not going to show you all my serial numbers and stuff, but there's an 8 terabyte drive, and when you plug it in, then it shows up right here. I already went ahead, formatted it, named it 4K media drive, and there we go. Now all I got to do to start transferring stuff to it, just plug in my other little hard drive, set that up here, or on my case over here, and then just plug this in and start transferring. And that saves so much time versus trying to pop the side window off your case and then pulling out a hard drive and going to the back and trying to undo cables back there. So again, I hope you guys like this video. Remember, favorite, like, share, and subscribe. And that was a look at the Ugreen USB 3.0 to Sata III hard drive adapter. Remember, favorite, like, share, and subscribe, guys. And yeah, have a happy new year. Take it easy.